Today, we are going to be reviewing adults' toothbrushing technique, an easy method for both youth and adults to effectively brush their teeth. Take your brush and angle the bristles of the brush 45 degrees, pointing towards the gum line. Gently jiggle the bristles and then sweep up towards the chewing surfaces of the teeth. It's important to go all the way in the back and get every surface of all of the teeth. For the tongue-facing sides of the teeth, angle your brush 45 degrees again towards the gum line. Again, make small jiggling strokes, then sweep the bristles towards the chewing surface of the teeth. For the top chewing surfaces of the teeth, take your brush and go back and forth and brush in the grooves and pits of those surfaces. Last but not least, go over the tongue a few times and brush the tongue. You should brush for at least 2 minutes, a long enough time so that you're not missing any teeth or any tooth surface. What not to do. Don't scrub the teeth and gums back and forth with a lot of pressure or force. This will hurt the gums and cause the gums to recede over time, exposing tooth root structure and increasing tooth sensitivity in the long run. The action and force of scrubbing over time can also create notches on the gum line portion of the teeth called effractions, further compromising tooth structure. It's best to brush gently, and you may even find it helpful to use your non-dominant hand to brush your teeth. Another thing not to do is to only brush certain areas of the mouth. For example, just brushing the fronts of the teeth or the front of the mouth only, and then being done brushing. It's best to take the time to brush all the surfaces of the teeth, ensuring that you adequately brush plaque and debris off from all tooth surfaces. Thank you for watching.